Damn, who got slumped like that in the hood? Damn. They left a nigga slumped on the sidewalk like that, no tent, no nothing.
Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not for from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. My day yourself for telling the war going for not to go on, you see me? So obviously, boy, we dropped the story about after 2 a.m. this morning, you know, cause you know our ears in tune to the streets, and when them boy you get them life cut down short and Crenshaw, the streets called me, you see me, say. But you know the thing go when you get messages, sometimes it goes so and sometimes it doesn't go so. Sometimes it's 90% solid, sometimes it's not. You feel me? So the names of the people them that got, you know, murdered, we just have to come correct. This is my say, Nanko Paul has survived this shooting. There was over 60 spent shells casings. Is as you know, the witness said the shooters were on foot, and after them clap out the boy, them up in about 2 vehicles and them speed off, right? Them bus, alright, pants lasting. This is bad man area, this is number of people, rolling Crips area, you know. So we they said that them they get shot. Nanko Paul in Florida, Chris Fish Fry, a couple months ago, them said the Mexican cartel deal with that. Right, but we know some Mexican now stand up on the street, especially in a Crenshaw, black man territory. But you know the Mexicans them work with these gangs, you know, when them provide them drugs and them thing there. So if a man around them, you know, them just say, you know, if you can do me a favor and get rid of that and that and that. Not saying that is the cause, because you know these gangsters embroil in a whole type of things. You see what I say? But me just want to give you a quick update. The only people them that lost their life in this was Jerome and Cunningham, you know, cartel sing about him in a 12 gauge and them thing there. You see what I say? And the next one named Cat also lost his life. You see it? My source, cause you know them come from this community. That's why they might tell me what I go on for not to go. And them say, what a boy name, yeah, sorry about that. Nanko Paul. My link, it tell me say him in a stable condition. He's good. He's going to survive and all of this good stuff. You know what I mean? Them just don't want to make sure I get the news correct. Because them never want nobody all you say a fasting where I run with. But like when me tell you know the message business goes. Sometimes it's not 100, sometimes it's 19. You know what I'm saying? This is me I say, but if it not go so, it go near so. And as you can see, they still was on point. So yeah, and just keeping the prayers up. For Nanko Paul, if you don't want to pray for him or not. And yeah, whoa, you see my ass there, bad man things. Anyway, people, we're not going too long on this no longer. We just still want to chop this thing for one for letting you know, say, such man still alive. So do the right thing and subscribe to the King and turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.